Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A1 to an Android device. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Tap on Close in white pop-up at the top, and then select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO. Now Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. And also on an Android, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Click on Close this window and go back to OPPO. You can finally use all of those categories from the top to choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. If you see Allow button, click on it and tap on Allow in the pop-up. You can also click on Files category, select Allow, but this time tap on this switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then go back. When you are finished, select Send next to Selected at the bottom. And if you want to, you can also, instead of selecting all of your files, just click on the couple of them. I will go with those two. Then click on Send as well. Finally, select Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key to Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and select Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my pictures were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!